They got off to a clean start so far. And leading the way at 3.55, that's Chase Nernick. 2:17 of Drake Soronsky. He's been pretty fast this year too, but jumping on the inside, that's Tyler Uman, the 1:25 in second. Looks like it's going to go Skidoo. One's down. Uman just took a tumble. So caution is out. He's quickly back up. Get the sled restarted. Meantime, up front, it's still the 3.55 of Nernick. Then it's the 2:25 of Tyler Lynch. And the 1:17, that's Nick Fennell out of Polaris running in third. Looks like it might be a Skidoo class this time. Like Polaris is knocking in there on third. They're pretty busy. In the air they're pulling. Not bad for junior ones. Nernick still leading the way. Nothing but air in front of him. Tyler Lynch from Traverse City did not come far, running strong and on the track. Still the Polaris in third. The 4.60. That's the 46, Andrew Rangel, also Polaris third and fourth. Nernick starting to put a little move to it. He's pulling out on it. Chased hard. That's Skidoo 1 and 2. Polaris third and fourth. The 7.53. That's Jordan Carlson trying to make a move in the fifth position right now. White flag is out. Comes through the rollers and made it in the final turn with the checker flag out. It's your winner. It's a 3.55 Chase Nernick from Milford, sponsored by CMP Performance.